Hi, my name is Joel with Kurion Sewing Machines in Sweden. I'm here with CowBoy high-tech sewing machines in China to show you the OUTLAW hand sewing machine. It's great for limited space, projects where you need extreme slow speed precision. Perhaps if you're a beginner, it has many different purposes. The presser foot is actuated by the handbrake handle like this. You insert the material and you sew, actuating the lever like this. This gives you very good precision and control, so you can really place every stitch exactly where you want it.